What about my happiness?
Oh, so now I don't make you happy. Good to know.
Enough of this, Bobby. You're acting like a child right now.
And you're acting like I don't exist in my own house.
You know, I never had this growing up. I just enjoy serving people. My parents never did it for me. Outside of work, I don't even have a ton of friends.
So now I'm not enough for you. Good to know.
Don't twist my words, Bobby.
Well, you're making me feel that way. You put me second place, behind total strangers, all while trying to show me some life lesson. You called me selfish when this whole day has been selfish of you. You look like some little lost boy running around chasing some little pieces of paper trying to figure out what to do next.
Those little pieces of paper, those are Bible verses.
I know that, Billy.
And I use those pieces of paper to be a better man, better person, a better husband.
Oh, so how well do you think your little pieces of paper helped you today?